I'm Josh with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to track down leaks inside your walls. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. Now for this job, we'll be using a keyhole saw or a sawzall. Either one works. All we need to do is have something that will cut through that drywall. The first thing we want to do is identify where the leak's coming at. So we'll look at our wall, see any wet spots. Water is controlled by gravity, so it'll be pulled down the fastest route. A lot of times that ends up running down your stud and off the top plate right onto the face of your drywall. So wherever you have the leak, usually it's up above that just a little bit because the gravity will pull that water down. So we have identified the leak according to our drywall because the surface of the area is wet. So we want to come up a little bit and cut a hole out to try to identify where that pipe's at. Now you might have to cut a couple different holes because there's not really a code to where to put the plumbing lines through your studs. Sometimes they'll put it up higher, sometimes they'll put it down lower or right through the wall. So you kind of got to guess where the leak's at. Sometimes there'll be a little bit of water stain where it's actually spraying out from the water pressure up higher. That's a good guess that your water line will be up a little bit higher. Ours is way down here right next to the floor. So our water line happens to be right here about 1 foot off the floor. I'm Josh with Lighty Contractors. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.